Okay, let's look at what played out this week on Euro USD. So looking at the chart currently, on the 4 hours, you're gonna notice one or two stuffs. Let me quickly go to the 1 hour. Um, let me go to the 1 hour. You notice something? We had it is like a confluence of liquidity right here. It had a confluence of liquidity, double bottom, straight line liquidity, and trend line liquidity. Now, I was actually interested in seeing what the market does when it steps into this zone. That's why I placed this dollar sign here, because it's an indication that there is liquidity resting on this level. And that being said, this is actually one of the setup I love best, or let me say love most. When the market grabs liquidity and breaks structure or changes character, I will look for the level that sponsored the change of character, which will be serving as the block or the zone, be it a demand zone or whether a supply zone. Now I'll be interested in buying up or selling from that very zone that changed character after liquidity was being grabbed. So it's a very simple setup. It just played out here. We had a double bottom here, and we had this trend line liquidity, which it also has its reference from the 4 hours. So this was first touch, second touch, and I was looking for a raid of this touch, which really happened here, and a raid of this bottom. And after that was done, let's go to the 15 minutes. Looking at the 15 minutes, you see something. This was the candle that raided all this. You will not notice something. Let me jump down to the 5 minutes. Likewise, on the 5 minutes, you will looking at the 5 minutes, you will see what really happened. How market changed character around here. This was it. Where how market changed character around here, and I was actually looking at the lower time frame, but you can spot this easy change of character, and it's a very very nice level to pick your buy. Now I'm taking you down to lower time frames so you can really see what actually played out here. On the 1 minute now, on the 1 minute, this was where character was changed. Looking at the 1 minute, so let me hire. Okay, um, this is it. This was where the market changed character on the 1 minute. So every other thing that happened here was look at where the market changed character on the 1 minute now. So the market broke above this high on the 1 minute, and what did we see next? The market stepped into this zone. This was the very level that sponsored the break of this high. This level now, this demand zone here, sponsored the break of this high, and the moment this high was broken, the big players or anyone who is interested in trading now buyers will have to wait for the market to retrace back into that very level. And as the market retraced back into this very level that broke structure, we had to pick the very buy. And it's a very low risk trade with an efficient reward. Let me just show you something, because when I took this trade on on Friday, actually I love calling it the TGIF setup, because it comes up most times during the Fridays. So this is I'm trying to get the low. That very Friday I took the trade. I think I sent it on YouTube. I just posted it on YouTube short or thereabout. I think it should be there. And I was actually this was exactly what happened. I was actually targeting that top, and it gave me a risk to reward of 1:13. Yes, I was actually targeting that high, risking this low. I think around 8 or 9 people thereabout. Yeah, 8 or 9 people, risking this much. So if you watch it, use that 8 people thereabout, you should be having a risk to reward of 1:9. So this is actually what happened. Let me take you back to the 5 minutes. Looking at this now, you see where the market changed character at this very level, and step back into this low. And remember, after liquidity was being grabbed, change of character, and we'll look for a return. Some people call it return to other block, but I just love understanding the concept rather than quoting terminologies. We'll wait for the market to retrace back into the level that sponsored the change of character or the break of market structure. And next thing, we had a pull through all through to the high. Going to the 15 minutes, it was so visible right there. You just see it here now. So this is it. Let me actually pull this out so you can see it. So this is it on the 15 minutes. I had my eyes on this very level here. This other block containing imbalance. Remember, it has not been mitigated, though the market came close to it here, but it has not been mitigated. But at this very point, it has been mitigated. Why? Price has actually stepped into it, and the moment it got here, I took my profit. As simple as that. So my goal has always been doing my best in presenting setup and making it appear as simple as possible. The only thing you have to do is to rinse and repeat a setup that gives you frequent profit. Do this time and time and time again. You see the joy or the simplicity in trading. Thank you.